Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Wayfair Professional for contractors. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So you can actually go ahead and do it from your application right over here. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using. And on the browser, all you want to do is simply go ahead and search for wayfairprofessional.com. So just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first option, which is Wayfair Professional right over here. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on Get in Touch, and then go ahead and fill out the form and also log in here. And when you go ahead and fill out your form, submitting your business details, including your name, email, phone number, and business number, BN, or 9-digit employer identification, EIN, it is going to go ahead and help you out. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.